Hi everyone! So the other day I shared with you guys a haul from Inloveartshop. So today we are going to put together one of the projects that I have started. So I was really excited to get this banner die. Like, this was the thing I was most excited about. So what I did was I took the largest banner. So there are multiple banners in here. So you see like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it has an inside layering piece. Oh, 5, because the one in my hand. So I took the largest banner, which is this one, and then I took the inside layering piece as well. So we're going to create a shaker. Now you could use these as individuals and just make like a flat banner, but I wanted to do a shaker, so I used both of these pieces. So what I did was I cut out right here on some foam board. I cut everything out. So here is this back piece. This is going to be the bottom, the base. And then what I did was with some washi tape, I had this inside so that they are doubled up like that. So they're like this, and then I just laid some washi tape to go ahead and cut it. So then I cut my foam board, and then I cut out the frame, so that's going to layer on top. Oh, and then with the base again, which is this piece, I cut out my acetate. And then when you cut this frame out, you end up with this. So I'm going to glue this together and make another banner out of it. So definitely keep your inside space and you just create another banner, and then this one will be, you know, already popped up on some board or whatever you used. I used poster board. So let's go ahead and glue some stuff together. So where did I put my glue? Here it is. So this is my bottom base that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to take my foam board and I'm going to glue it, and then this is where I'm going to put my sequins. Now I'm going to be using the sequins that they sent me for the inside. So let's go ahead and glue this together. Okay, so I glued the foam board. Now my foam board I just got from Dollar Tree. So I glued the foam board to my base, and then I also glued this glitter to the foam board base as well. So now I can save this for a different project to go ahead and use. So I'm just going to leave that off to the side to dry. So now that we've glued the base and the foam board, we need to go ahead and add our sequins in now. So like I said, I'm going to be using the one that they sent me. So I don't know how much I'm going to put. Let's see. Definitely do more than that. I'm trying to get like the smaller little bits that are kind of towards the bottom. I think would be really pretty in here. And I like that it's multi-colored. If you see like the multi-shine in there, you get like some pinks, some blues, like a bunch of different colors in there. So let me put another little pinch in here. I think that will be good. And I'm trying to keep it all towards the middle right now. because I haven't let it dry. Normally what I would do is give my glue, you know, I don't know, a few minutes to dry, like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I would move on. But since I'm doing this on camera with you guys, I didn't want to, you know, come back and forth, so I'm just going to do it all right now. So I'm trying to keep it all towards the middle because I want that glue to dry, and I don't want any of the sequins to kind of shift over to the edge over here and then get stuck in any wet glue that still might be there. So that's why I'm just trying to keep everything towards the middle. But if you were to let it dry, it really shouldn't matter. So now that we went ahead and we put our sequins, now we need to take our acetate sheet and we're going to glue that piece on next. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And then after the acetate sheet, I'm going to put on the frame so it looks all nice and pretty. So let's go ahead and work on that. Okay, so normally I would glue down the acetate, let it dry a little bit, then put the frame on. But like I said, for the purpose of this video, we're just going to go ahead and push through. So just make sure that it is all lined up correctly before that glue sets. So this is what we have so far. So now what I did also was I took the happy birthday die that they sent me, which is this one right here. And I cut out a bunch of pieces in just gold and the same glitter purple. So that's what I have right here that we are going to be adding to this banner. And then from this paper pad, there was some little butterflies. So I did go ahead and I just cut some out. So we are going to include those as well on this banner. So let's just go ahead and quickly glue on the happy birthday. So we'll put that probably about here. Want it kind of right in the middle. And then I'm going to take the birthday part and let's put that down. We're going to add that right below here. I think that looks pretty good there. So just want to make sure that those are both straight and centered as best as we can. And I think that looks pretty good. And then I'm going to take my butterflies here. Now I did kind of just, you know, use my nail and push the wings up a little bit on the side of the body just to give it some dimension. And then see right here, there's some creases, so I'm just going to put some glue right there in the middle. And let's put that one about there. Think would be nice. And then this one has a little bit of foiling to it, so I want that one to be kind of more on the top. So I'm going to do the same thing, just bend in the wings a little bit. And then in that center little part, go ahead and that's where we're going to add the glue down. Then I'm going to put this one kind of like right here. kind of like that. So they're kind of like layered on top of each other, but still separate. And I think I'm going to go ahead and add some glitter glue to their wings. So this is just the one from Dollar Tree. So just gonna go ahead and squeeze some glitter glue, and then that is it for this little tutorial right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like my little banner. I think it looks really pretty, especially for anybody that loves purple. I'm sure that they can go ahead and appreciate that. So it's just super cute. Really, it's really easy to do, and it's really, really cute. And I think it looks kind of fancy, you know, but it was really simple. You guys saw how fast it was to go ahead and put this together. Like I said, it's still very wet, so I'm just trying to be careful with it. But yeah, I think it's beautiful, and you can see all the sequins in there shaking around, which is my favorite. You guys, if you've been following me, you know how much I love shakers, and I just think it's really pretty. Look at all the little stars and flowers that was in that mix. I think it's gorgeous. So I'll go ahead and I'll leave everything linked down below in the description box, so you could go check out their website and go check out these items that I used today and see all the other items that I have. So I will have another video up tomorrow with the rest of the dies that I had received and share some projects of those, because those are already completed projects. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.